Hello YouTubers, today I have a Xbox One S here. This one came in with a damaged HDMI port. Common issue on these S's for some reason. So customer does not use the input one. Save money by replacing and taking this one off and switching it over. A couple dollars, it ain't much, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this port and switch it over here to this port. They don't use the input one. It's basically a signature. So let's get started. I'm going to take this game console apart. Alright, that's good enough. What I'm going to do is add some flux. There we go. Now I'm going to put it on the machine and I'll be back. Okay, now you can see that I have the board on the machine. We're climbing up on temperature here. So what I'm doing is I'm going to actually remove those ports. Yeah, I'm going to suck the solder out of it. Well, it's already hot, so it's easy. I don't even have to worry about getting any solder out of the pockets. I'm going to go replace the other port on there. So we're almost at temperature. We're halfway there. And I'll be back to solder on the port once I remove it from here. As you can see, I got the ports removed. I got the solder sucked out of the one port that we need to put the port back in. And we got video. That's just how it's showing up on the camera, but it's crystal clear. There's nothing wrong with it. So we have another Xbox One S fixed. Pretty simple repair. And you already had the parts on the machine to fix, so to fix it, to replace the HDMI port. A lot of people don't use that input port, so. But we could see we have the person that plays Fortnite. Never really good at that game. Tried it a couple times. Sucks. How can you aim at somebody on that game? But yeah, there's another Xbox One S fixed. Replaced the HDMI port with using the input one. Replaced it to the output because the one was damaged, as in the video. So hope you guys liked the video. If you guys get a chance, give this a thumbs up. Also, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell notification. And as always, thanks for watching.